And if you're now we're going back to professionals, if you're looking to actually start up your brick and mortar warehouse detail shop, rip clean setup, vacuum setup, m- it's modular equipment, meaning if your hose breaks, you can easily replace it and go buy one within 30 minutes to an hour, depending on where you live or how your roads are. Me, I can get new parts within, you know, 20 minutes because my shop is luckily right down the road from Home Depot and Lowe's. So I just have those, I've kind of pick of the litter. And then I have a pump store to where I can go there to get my rip clean. If my rip clean hose messes up or if the sprayer is messed up, I can easily go right across the street to this hose fitter and get those fixed and replaced in a moment's notice.